So creamy, so yummy, and good for your tummy. This is my homemade dahi, but let's look at the magic. Whatever be the vessel, whether it is glass or steel, it sets so well, only make sure it's a broad vessel. This is curd that I have set and kept in the refrigerator for a few hours. It just doesn't fall. No milk powder or anything else, just milk and curd. Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. To make thick curd, we have to follow a few tips. You follow them and you never go wrong. The first tip is boil only full fat milk. And the second tip is don't let cream form. Switch off the flame when the milk boils over. Use preferably a flat vessel to set the curd. Transfer to a flat vessel and stir every 5 minutes so that cream doesn't form. We want lukewarm milk. If you can keep your finger comfortably inside the milk for 10 seconds, it is lukewarm. To this lukewarm milk, add 1 tablespoon curd. Now cover it and let it rest untouched. Now the question is for how many hours? So how long it should rest depends on the weather. If it is very cold, it will take long to ferment. In Mumbai, 27-degree temperature, the curd is set after 16 hours. See the texture of the curd, just like ice cream. You don't need to sweeten it, just eat it as is and enjoy. Tips to remember: use full fat milk. Do not let cream form. Use a flat vessel to set curd and milk should be lukewarm. Do try out this recipe and I would love your feedback. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also consider subscribing if you haven't to get notifications of our new videos.